guys, it's Lo here from Nino and Lo, and today I want to talk to you all about Coleus. Now I have here on the screen a few shots of the Coleus that I've used in my garden over the years. I just love Coleus, and last year was the very first time that I started some from seeds. I was successful, but I've learned a lot since then, and I want to show you how easy it is to get Coleus like these from seed ready for your garden this season. So just sit back and relax and let's have a chat. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and those notification bells out there. And let's be garden friends and give me a thumbs up, won't ya? Let's get into it. So I have this plastic container. It was just an empty salad container that I cut the lid off. I put some holes in the bottom of it, and I'm going to use this to sow my Coleus seeds. So the potting mix that I'm using here is just a blend of really seed starting mix and a potting mix that I had left over. And I'm just adding a little bit of perlite in there to kind of improve the drainage. I'm just basically using whatever I had left. Just going to add a little bit of water to moisten the soil and give it a good mix. The soil seems to be perfect. Sticks together, but the water's not dripping off. So I think this is just perfect. See, those tiny little black dots are the Coleus seeds, and they are minute little tiny seeds. So it's really hard to kind of direct the seeds into each individual cell. So I am just going to sow them into this container and just sprinkle them as best as I can. So I'm going to try and get these seeds broadcasted in here as best as you can see. These seeds are ridiculously small. So I am just going to do my best to spread them out evenly as best as possible on half here, because I have another seed packet for the other half. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of vermiculite on the top. Not too much, because these seeds do need the light to germinate, but this will help with moisture retention. I think that's good enough there. Now I want to show you my very simple setup here. So like I said, I used a container meant for salad, and it's resting right over my heater register there, because a little bottom heat never hurt with germinating these Coleus seeds. And then I have my portable light that I got on Amazon that it's from Jiffy, and it just stands on these two stands, very easy. It plugs in, you can move it around. It has an on-off switch here. And that's it, guys. That is as simple a setup as you can get. I had the forethought just before it got cold to bring this container in that had a few Coleus plants in it. Now, since I've done that, the plant has been doing quite well, actually. I've been taking cuttings from the plant, and I've been putting them in water, letting them grow some roots, and then transplanting. Now here's the last batch that I managed to transplant in this pot after they started putting some roots out, and they're doing quite well. So I'll have plenty of plants come summer. I love this one
because
with the
look
red
at
and
all the roots on the bottom of these things. I just snipped them off, some of the Coleus plants that I had, and put them in water. Look at that. It's only been maybe about 3 weeks.
And these are the latest ones that I have here that I've cut. Just cut them and put them in water, and they very easily start roots. And like I said, once the roots start coming out, I then put them in soil. And I mean, you don't really have to. That's just the way I do it. You
Well, that's
can
it for me
cut
on this
them and
video,
then put
guys.
them
I
directly
hope you
into the
try
soil.
Coleus this year in your garden and try them from seed. It'll be well worth the effort. Bye for now.